abo ahaya Sompa television so enwumrei nsema hodo ayaboabo no ena nuanu mienu agepenie ya yede be somo se Sompa enwumre no nsia kasebo nsem no beti bi ewo Sompa 90.7 FM sanso ena Sompa 93.1 ewo Kumase obeti kase ni bi ewo honom ena okopiemu osunwane ne potem nso a eya Sompa 98.9 nsem no do sunemu de bedi mu akotene no ebine
afutu akọ ede ama doma ewo my Ghana mu se yehwe adidie mu ye doctor bi na eka hwan ya de ba
yebekwa kopie mu ewo atoye mantemu edeben ena si wo honom
abeto dwa se emprewanyen sendodo na ya na efiri awofo no die ntia na hwan na eka sa asemi eno nso ba okase mu
wode dwumadi sunku bi ahyehye so wekra de eye CCD Ghana edeba sem ena ekoso
Josko fo efre se yemra won sra ban mu na wo mu hunamane de na ato won yekoho
obampanya be de kire nso ede aso abofom yebekwa kotie ensem no mu nkire mu
we ni nuanom ene yaboa no se Sompa no nsia bremu anwumre kase yebo na namaba so na abotetie otimi twa asuo na oduru asuo ja mizo fruit drink no eno ne duaba ene abefo kwanso ya yede agu ntoa mu a asikyire ene pampan bi amfra na momaduaba aduaba pebi na emwa saa na ne yetumi ni nyina wom ahoden kura no 5G energy drink ya wo madawroma saa na Universal Natural Health Care Clinic I care ende wadwene ho pa na fa 21st clinic kan ye ho bi anwumre ye nye bre na nsem no ye ntutu ne sre ene abasa
ekua bo achewa asempeti anwumemene
ajapia apam dada yemfrase na ye hyase a ye de kwa kofiri ewatifi mantamudo Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia Alhaji Bebe woni Ghana mampani abadi akire na watwi mu no wode aso akwa fom ama America dollar no wopepem hadunum sika botene ye no eyedweti kase a wo mode ba be hyese adwumadie mu na adom aboa ama temamufu a watifi mantamudo wo mu nyina ho ahenhan wo mo na adwumadie no tifi afa ho na wo mode ko watu ne jinse Soko initiative aman ya atwa ho ahia na sebio wo masoko ahwepen na ye ne wo mo nso na bo afipam wo mo nti na mpanimfo de nhyehyɛ papa ete se egu akwan mu sɛ de be na temamufu a wote bemben saafo no wo mo benya hoto wo ngomasuam eba apomuden mu dwadie ne nema ahodo eka ho na enwom no ne de no ne wura no na ete Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia eto nanum to sei bra wode aso no ekoba ofam
timely intervention aimed at addressing some key emerging and recurring challenges in the northern part of Ghana. The Soko project is a $150 million credit facility project secured by the government of Ghana from the World Bank to implement the project in 48 MMDAs. The project focuses on dealing with issues related to fragility, conflicts, and violence. It is my pleasure to declare the actual execution of all 582 projects in the 48 MMDAs under the Gulf of Guinea Northern Regions Social Cohesion Soko project.
Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia anyway to dwa tifi mantamudu no wache se nkrotambe se ahennan ene akire de wo mu nyina benya nnwuma de afiri san hyehye mu
Ghana Police Service ani abato hwe suko electoral nyame adom abosumya yebesimu no ne da etoso na presidential primaries ya MPP amanyoko no ade be hwehwe so Dr. George Akufo Dampare na ye police adwumako no sadom wajebre ne atwetwe nkomo ne nsem ode to yenim ni na eyese police adwumako no abom ho asie pa etwen abato a eda yenim no
in also my colleagues from the Inky fraternity and knowing that Saturday, I think Sunday is our day. We want to wish all of you well. For nearly 2 years now, in its quest to position its leaders from all the levels, constituency, regional, national, and now in the domain of working towards electing a presidential candidate. The first leg will work together, and in August we were able to have a successful first leg of that exercise. And we have November 4th ahead of us for the final leg of that exercise. And we look forward also to early next year to work with you as you work towards selecting your parliamentary candidate. We've done the same for the other major political party, the NDC, and it has been successful all at this level. And we want to use this opportunity to thank all the political parties, and today the MPP in particular, for cooperation extended to us for us to create a platform in an engaged faction to work together to deepen our democracy. That is all what we require for Ghana to continue to be a beacon of hope in a sub-region and in the African continent and beyond, and for people to continue also to learn from us as we continue to make this country great and strong. Having said,
IGP Yera George Akufo-Addo Amparika sewie ya peno penya wodi ne dwuma se titine ni abedi akire ya wo hwentoto so abato hwe sukuo no mu Dr. Samuel Teten so kire ye isi ahobo a wo maye abato eda ye nim ne ho.
Half of the chairperson of the Electoral Commission, Mrs. Jean Mesa, and my colleague, Deputy Chairman in charge of Corporate Services, Dr. Bosman, and the staff with me, bring you warm greetings from the Commission. We know that this is an important election for not only the NPP, but also with the EC and the nation as a whole. The conduct of the election solely rests with the Electoral Commission, and for that matter, there should be a series of engagements, which this meeting is one of it. We need to prepare adequately and then make sure that the election is successfully conducted. We have issues like recruitment of officials for the elections, issues like printing of ballots, issues relating to agents who will be represented at all the polling stations, and so many other issues. So far, the engagement with the security services as well as the elections committee of the NPP has actually gone on well, and we are looking forward to have the final selection of a presidential candidate on the 4th of November. We are almost close to the date, and the Commission is not leaving any stone unturned. We are doing all what we could to make the election successful. We also plead with other stakeholders. We know how the police has actually been working. We know how the elections committee has also been working very hard. We plead with all stakeholders to join the Commission to have a very successful elections come November 4th. Thank you.
Nekrokromu and Professor Mike Okwe wopenya NPP vetting committee no what subie won so de kakra ema yen central for saying
ahead of us. We want to say without any equivocation that this process is going to belong to the EC and the police. It is an ordinary election, an election to elect a flag bearer for the NPP. And we intend that everything must go according to law. If we were capable of security, we would have provided it ourselves. So we know the appropriate authority is the Ghana Police. It is not just an internal event, for which matter Sompa FM. It is our own thing to do. In fact, even a family meeting, if you have it and you don't go according to law and you start fighting, very soon police will have to come. So nothing is beyond the parameters of the police when it borders upon the peace and security of our country. It is also a fact that the Electoral Commission has been set up as an independent institution whose job basically is to carry out elections in our country. So they must know all the dynamics of elections. For that matter, we are authorizing you as a party to take absolute control of all the processes that you regulate during a normal election in this republic. We have made a number of guidelines. It's a matter of common consent.
Openyo akasa ye aya Professor Mike Okwewu kopiemu MPP amanyoko no vetting committee na wono so aye woni pa bia wodi no dwuma e wo hono mu bi.
Yeda so a ejina mamrenum na yemfa wonko Europe amanu mu Ghana fo ete ho na sesei ebi mo ho aba asema na se wakwa kodi nsenseme enkra ba be ka sompa kase ensa ene se timamufo bia wo mo ya Ghana fo oka bra no wo ba ko no wo ko wopese woka bibia na ne nsa ne nanitrim fakase na baburu be se mpema duosia de make say wo mo Europe amanum titru ene jama aman no mu nanso nkra ne chese aban na ni abere den se obeyi safo ni nyina de afiri ho na ne ho ahenhan no sei aduane a aye bibia wo ho mpo adwuma kura wo mbeye no nkrata papa edi wo ho adanse no enya de a wo mukura bie ne se ho nti wo mo ba be yi ne te se besepa ne koni mahaban eyi bone e wo mu nyina de wo nkura nkrata masafo na afirim na no na JQ wono na da Ghana fo e wo ho na no wo kire se no kwasem ni wono ma wo nkrata de emra bebo wo ho ban na mom de won ne krata ebi kura ekọ no wo de ne ba ne school receipt na koy ebi kura yellow card nko a ebi nso kura de light bay receipt ene kokopie mu hosafo ni nyina ho beka ena afi wono mo nso a ye kan good monkey wonte na wo mo ka de che kasa bia wonte ho hwe safo no nso wo mo ho betimi aka na je ka okire mu sei e de kire so mpanse ntwerofo.
The Ghanaians might be today 60,000. Yes, 60,000 across the country. And but this might not be included those with the German passport. Those with the German passport are not considered as the Ghanaians, but then we see them as the Ghanaians because even in their passport, the place of birth shows you clearly that Boise, Accra, Sunyani. So we have guessing 60,000 Ghanaians in Germany across the country because we see Germany is a very good place to start a new life. But I think in terms of policy, it's much difficult for foreigners to step into it. It's good that they are trying to bring this new migrant policy from November this year. But they started back in 2018. They started discussing in the Federal Council, but never came to pass. So we hope. And we see at back office, a country like Ghana is an English-speaking country. And if you want skilled workers to come to Germany to work, and then you give a first line that they must do a German text before you can give them the provision to come. It means you've still limited them to come to Germany. So I think the policy should be twisted a bit, that they can come with their talent because we believe most Ghanaians are much talented in terms of what they do. And once they are here, they can learn the language aside. But if you impose a law that they must do a text, the German text, once they pass, it will be able then to come to Germany. So that we are on the ground, so we know the difficulties on the ground. So if they make policy in Berlin, they should also look at the grounds, how it will help those, because we have the wage middle and the low class. So when you make a policy, you shouldn't consider looking at the top rank, then you limit those on the grounds. That is the problem that the migrants are facing in Germany, and that is a fact. Even though Germany has shut off labor since 2017, that is why they plan to bring this migrant policy, skilled workers into the system. But still, you need to go to the German text before you are able to come.
Enti Saudi shebi ewo jama ya fa ho anasa afi no opese okoko wura mu antem
Yenina ye tie Sompa.
GPAA e de adesrede kase pa to mpanyifo anim se we de omobesra da physician assistant be apem eno omawie ntete a wo motwense be posti omo eno to mbesre mpanyifo mo nan enye ntietia no mo posti samrante wei ene mabuni enkom miame ahodo no a na wo mu entimi enkoye adwuma wo panyipa woje bre ne Sompa kase bo atwetwe nkomo yewura Kofi Intibretu wo no eno ye panyipa be de akire ya woda Ghana Physician Assistant Association yi anom ne sema ode tu odwane atwe kakra egu ahomaso yinkotie bi ma
Ghana Physician Assistant Association na Physician Assistant has 4 years since 2018 a binding post you have a backlog of about 5,000 fees ITF now you share universal health coverage SDG go 3 na here so we are being health coverage by the year 2030 na fees any the gatekeeper system the front line now over 5,000 fees ITF I say danger of mine Ghana health sector we start buying say on seek clearance from the from the Ministry of Finance not only putting fees na TV na mo map the NCE our Ghana na so when you go to be as health center be our country more physician assistant and mining most of the district hospitals now physician assistant e wo honom a medical officers no e adwuma oba health centers no apart from clinical visit more me one station 20 hours e adwuma me home the sanya they say human resource manager and you adwuma in public aspect where say public health he say among for nyare polio immunization and other entities in as supervisor so it's adwuma here dey so mo e Ghana we are the first point of call abani shedan can be answer na I'm say baby omo pani share say the network of practice also ba be concept na boa towards sustainable development goal enti omo twinwom na but enti me twen ko see that time omo go sa program because umani yan have what is aguma isi anex bo nya adwane so be say PS so nya nso de ya beko nti on hwe ya tu anamo em say last this year kwa what say ko strike akra efa nyuma ya regulation in sanema nti ani aban ni say metima ka say any ministry of health edin komo any deputy minister of edin komo any director general Ghana edin komo any various stakeholders edin komo nti egusu engage say be on be fire members na wofi assistant den ko ye wa fene ko yi akachi so basically ba health centers en kwa ye my allowances free accommodation she dey ni ho o baby out one habitual liable incentive for be ni ho mine so it is all honors onya be paper na kwa fa na tie nti adwuma mu de eden pa
ewo ekuna fiano hyiemu etoso aduonu ena yewura Emmanuel Kofi Brentu ede sansem we atudwa
no nsia kase yebo no a ena yegusu a yede esomwo ewo Sompa babia wo bia se yebono East Mantam a kai hunu se Sompa 90.7 a se wo Sante Mantam na otie ha Sompa 93.1 wonu me wo bono ene na afa nyina hafo Sompa 98.9 eho na wotie yen edifri mamemfa nko Kumase Kropon badwa no wonom ahemfie na eho na dwumadie wonwaso bi wonom apa ho ntama ede ba beboa se de beye na efini nkekaya hodo a ya Kropon no wonom yo won betime aso ano enti poto kasa mu no wo se wonom oyo asan kura dan wura nani ama mfaso foforo asan so abaso na enum na pani a woda Kropon badwa na no yewura Samuel Pan efo no mrane se Sampan di tudwa chese se woka de biara da enwura Kumase Sante Mantam Kropon na nkasa wonom yo eni sikaboti na won de sesa eho asem echen kurei ne se ehunti wode to Kropon no nyina ne timamufu ewo mu se sanhyehye ya abai wo mu nso mu abia na ayese brode ebaya eba beboa ode ebeboa amakuro no etimi abanyam.
It is acquired during our study tour to Spain and Quebec. I'm going to do that here in Kumasi, and as the rep of the sanitation minister said, it is possible that we can do it and do it better. Yet the approach Sompa ever Ghana. The approach ever Ghana no. Me be here ubi pere owa santimemu owo Kumasi and so emwa and so na dwene e be kan ho na adwuma no akoso. And when we talk about Ghana, we refer to Kumasi because Kumasi is where Ghana happens. Our goal is to restore Kumasi to its former glory as a garden city. Undoubtedly, this project is a new experience for KMA and other MMDs. Nonetheless, I implore all of us to collaborate and ensure the success of this project. With that collective commitment and unwavering determination, we will overcome any challenge that may arise. Together, we will transform Kumasi into a model city in waste management, setting an example for others. To conclude, Nana Chairman, I would like to emphasize that today's gathering marks not just the launch of a project, but the start of a movement. And let me quote somebody, stronger than apartheid. This movement is aimed at creating a cleaner and more sustainable Kumasi, where recycling is deeply ingrained in our daily lives. I urge each and every one of you here to actively participate rather than merely observe. And as the President said, be citizens and not spectators. Your support and cooperations are critical for our success. Let us join hands and strive towards a Kumasi that we can truly be proud of.
Dear Ohe na eni a oti ye Yura Samuel Pan a we Kropon Badwa no penimpa otua wo ma no na wie no wura Victor Constantino nso kasae Cape Verde no ofiri no wo chese Cape Verde sei wo mo de saa na wie ya dombo aye ne wo no mapagya ho ama ho ya akono a unya ho abeko na etoda koduro okra afre ho aburuchiri no na no nhyehyɛ no nso wo de bitu dwa
generate new policies in which it envisions a green and friendly environment for Praia and prepare the capital of Cape Verde for the socio-economic challenge in the future. For him, solid waste management is the key driver for sustainable development. To attain this, it is necessary to improve our collection and recycling processes, but also routines, production and consumptions by boosting the circular economy. We must have strategic initiatives and policies that foster the circular economy to address both sides of the coin. Aware that education through advocacy to be carried out by community agents is one of the best ways to ensure the success of the agenda we want. The community agent, with their enormous knowledge on the ground, will know how to communicate assertively and objectively to permit that the practices implemented by OREST project and not only will remain even after the project ends. At the municipality of Praia, as a partner in the OREST project, we took an opportunity to innovate and draw up proposals that show that reconciling social, economic, and environmental concern is perfectly possible. In this way, the municipality of Praia continue to do all the efforts that it can to stimulate policies and regulation on solid waste, strengthening transparency and accountability mechanisms.
Papa ya ni tidro na wakase no eyowura Victor Constantino oko Cape Verde ona ye mo sanitation coordinator na ewie no na nampofo baafo otoso mienu wono anso na ya samu hene na nakasai na wo kire eniso a wo moni aso enkanka ne se sante hene mfinhie do nunum a wodie se de wo mosi amakuma ase ayekra behwe no eno nko ansombo woto aso sei
ye nyina ye tie sompa
kunya fi do na ya ofuro baaye odi sada said medi na mudi ama ehunu se obetima abo se medi na koso pa se awo ho be kuluma ne dwe yenu na ba chassis and they broke my son. Emily Emma Wawa said Santini. I die Bidino Afidano. Why I say ye, dear Maya, Messamo, the Waymo, calendar, every panda. Ye Casante, Abacosamania, the Mushimubi, Sabra Santini. The farm course was used. And the public book was in 1924.
Sompa FM.
Nana Bafo Ampofo Cheo Tosumienu Samuhine, Kumasi Santimantemo, Nene and Arti.
Yemfri Sansen Semnimo, Niambonra CDD Ghana Akachi, Ghana Center for Democratic Development. When young Cropon Edwom Huafo Fien Kakra, Jumokono Edi Infrinchia Edionunum, na Fiomo Bomodin, Eshe, and Hofetia Sama Nedaso, say, a question choir befaso, near the Inshemu Mapa, Abwama Amanyosem and Impuntu Akoso, na Afan and Tampa Ediafram. I feel was Shefano Ewo Asante Mantemu, Castle More Hotel, Yanso Sompansa and Trofo, Yakopiamu Ewo Jumediano Asibim. A honum and a programs manager, Yera Paul or Circle 4, added to Yanumu say, I no crosso Moya Jumacobia and Sha by a Sidia, now so baby be to me, I said the Beya Amano Sem, and nay, a Maya no Ebecosono, and Noah and Womobe.
Yes, our regional engagements here, about very 5 places. Tineo, Kumasi, and audience, some of our major stakeholders, here from government, civil society, media, and other actors, including even the private sector and labor unions. I'm going to share and he didn't come off fire. Juma for the past 25 years. And he was almost on Chiro Marvin fire. Juma seeing Commodity, of course, very, very well. The meeting I can say, the donor say, Juma Dina Edino, a Bagan and Punto. Be mentioned, say, a district league table, the social accountability initiatives, district assemblies, assessing performance across certain development indicators, assemblies, right? Yeah, I'm aware projects are the information about the state of development at district level. Assemblies, they get opportunity to know what is happening in the assembly. They get information, and information power a tool here for engagement. And a national level engagement, so break a car, legislative and institutional reforms projects are embarking on. But I don't know, say, democracy, no, Bonibeka said, those who are trying to suppress and oppress, and also before capture democracy, so it's important you will find a way to liberate democracy. Said the Abaya, Tima Fobenya home for so, no man did our democracy.
Ne krakra mu ena wo mo so mo ne CDD Ghana ewo twakano wo mo so den sam kakra eto ye ne mu sei
amayo semni o mai mu semni nie esesemi ye enu nie o mai ne se enso ye wo cheche an a cheche ne bebre am ye do sam pempen so ti CDD ya ade because enu anka Ghana Federation of Disability Organizations can ne bebre wo a ye hu as partners into amaye leaders so yes you ba on board no esua ne bebre free CDD into ne person who say CDD crime was almost boy my draft in disability at 715 from 2006 up to now you person a boama CDD who say someone nobody can hear mine almost uncle mwana emrano intimi shebukena intimi because emrano da hosa intimi prosecute o mine so be fumo emrana intimi prosecute and for mon court into person CDD entire chi na fi disability act no yen shebukena because people say if you throw the paper lion it doesn't bite so the paper now now you say why a lion because as a disability act is say
2018 and CDD and first project now
about border security projects are sensitizing communities that work borders as to terrorism, how to identify terrorists, community, that's in collaboration with the security agencies.
Adeshe yentwa ye ho ani ankwaje aboafo nkrato embra yempe music kakra enno nom siaba ensem no edos yenuanom kuma ye omokotwere BEC yi no eho abasem ye kwa basisia.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
21st Clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je wo ba bi a enye na no na 21st Clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baby a gise 21st Clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a woma gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha baby a womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. That's the 21st Clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Sompa achedie. Yaba. Sompa achedie. 2023. Bible say, nyame sompa pani say, ubi ko unyanka, eni ewisia mobo. Enuti na sompa 93.1 Kumase. Sompa 90.7 Nkransa. Sompa 98.9 Sunyane. Yakabom. Se bronye, yebema enisia. Eni ekrafo edidi na yenko ayetimi agese wo beboa yen enti se yesika fatu ahomatrofo iso 0598 559802 mitimu biem 0598 559802 edi e woso yetara 1 media na November bosome no ni be edi kan na ye tworo ekrafo ni din enti se wo nkransa na wo yekrania kotro udin e wo sompa enkransa GCB edanimu ho a wo sunyane so a kotro udin e wo sompa sunyane night market wa na Kumasi de ekrafo nyina ba be twro wo no din e wo sompa ye ni no hotel de anu hye eye bosumi du ba ko no ne de di kan na dwumade anu akasa de bronya bosumi ne de to so aduonu ba ko ne bebogya trada na de amode tom ye no ye de ama ekrafo yi
wo de bibi wo 1 million
ko se 1 million wo de ba to akoko na de abomo
na me de abomo no so eni anwanu se di si no so nyame Islam pa why adie pa
na yesika na yentuma so a wobetimi de aba afenso se niema bi ense ye ti se mo ene yanwan so a yebeji mo amu ye bi afie twem no emu adanse de de mo amu nim sompa achede 2023 ebusuafo yamfa ye ho hyem na propose prepa oboadu ponko mu ye nyankopon obeyiye wiye sompa achede 2023 ekunafo ene enyanka ne so wo mu bedidi.
What's your Sompa 90.7 FM?
Sompa FM. Sompa FM. This is Sompa. This is Sompa.
What's your Sompa 90.7 FM?
TV Emma Akitiapa.
Yamayatifo ni ahwefo nyina kwa aba e de ba Sompa TV ya enam YouTube ni baabia Facebook Sompa se 90.7 e ho 93.1 e ho nso e ho na fe 98.9 so onsa ebekan ya fe me yanko BEC so hwe ne mframa ebo wa akire no emu enkra bia ba na we ekọ ema headmaster for anase school penning for say a contemporary school mu anase aban school mu wono mu a etro BC so hwe no ehwemu kire se ebirum wo form 1 na ebirum so wo form 2 nanso wo mo penin nte wo ma contemporary ja fontre class no a BC so hwe no ebirum kokotro bi na ehwemu yi na mpenimfo ahyese bra na wo mo tro BC so hwe no wasana boso menum ebobo ade kokosi ne de toso be se dadu eda baako na chese na awotwe a edikan no mu no esukufo a wono mo JHS1 JHS2 na wo mo ntimi anko class bra na BC ekoso no saafo ni nyina wo mo mfa wondin mra afi wo mo ekọ class nsokoro edi enka ho bi ne yehunu wono mo asabi wo wi a wo ho kokotwero BC so hwe na eno no enhwemu no chese enye ne edikan ni ayeko ayeno ayesa nomne ade free 2017 ton EBC 2021 won mo se EBC 22 de o monyo eno na nam so ama won mo kase nipa be se empem nsia wotena se na won mo tworo so hwe no won mo esusu se bibi wom na dawroma enkomo e ba ye no yewura Ernest Akosa wono ye kasamafo ede ma enwumasua so ye no yenko na afi yenkobusa wonom na yemusa se asemi sen na emu nsem no etepa na wo matia wo musom sen yewura Ernest Akosa Sompa kase so ne ote enka nwumre maadwe
ejo so nya bema
na enwumasua office ho no ebokọ de
Patrol Ministry of Education, Minister of Education, that's why you're studying to be here.
Wonderful. Na enkra yensa kan muna mbetimi aboye nkyeremu pa ye won mo se BC so hwe no from 1 from 2 fo bi tro bi na sabi o mo mfa won mo a eko school bra na BC so hwe koso ni din mra no kure be na wo sa asemi
well but that was the opportunity that I wanted to participate in some FM na me den chance ma we be you may otie me we have my own share inquiry of us no mo school at the tertiary level any party 50 kg up to junior high school and I say junior high school 3 na I was told BC but I'm pretty no over here no go how P6 not form 1 na form 2 no kwa transfer no we are private school no public school no kwa register it's very common for some time now you know na Ministry of Education the Ghana Education Services said that what figures about how many figures so go ahead this year and grab 400,000 no my student high school. That's the crown about the transfer and no me 600,000 plus. It's a lot of eyebrows. If you have known that, the director before moving the hell of Ghana Education Service to the 2 ministers and say, hey, numbers and the rates now are when you say astronomical. Until the corporate the first one, the prestige and that's allegations here who from 1 from 2 action. The first one, you identify you my free system. And I had my son, so the bono, you are sitting so I did the amount. Tell them my son, more. You said the district regional, the Minister of Education, after Ghana Education Service didn't care among more quality information, and that's encourage statistics.
Yenina ye tie Sompa.
To make it provision. The classrooms start here, you know. We are next 3 years, another 3 years, the basic silicon. Dormitories near the headmasters, and that's a human resource. Like I said, for you need be a 20,000, 10,000. So much you about the learning process now, because you need a year to stand among criminal sanitary situation going forward.
And then yes say pa nya ne bone so na me wura ekobase we no mo ye hwehwemu na mo hu binu mu a asotwen ben sa na wo ho ma wonom
victims and another more follow victims to serve and we have to say yeah you fast me a man on there they say oh but sure yeah in your find ya place you and this stuff na call if you know oh the junior high school one over coach that wa kwa fichi. That is the first step on the taken. I had my son as well. I qualified private school, register. I didn't go private school, now within private school. I want to register. We go from 1. You have a register. Ghana Education Service, let's spell it out. the ministry, had they influenced the decision at the Ghana Education Service.
Eja ye ja o na mu amoako na ebia ye kan de wo from why okotwere from 3 na adwen aben pa wo bokama na wotimi atwa nwatwa ne ye eno sa no eti amra na se wotra from 2 no na odwane kotre ekokotwere twa how betimi de aba ne bi ni sen eno so kire mu kakra
be a department class 6 or junior high school 1 and J2 now official na who dey no suru bebe no betimi apart also Sompa district director of education. Now, also the my region, now headquarters, Ghana Education Service, headquarters in one crano, and I take it out of Sompa. And I request to the Pan Diabano, Jenny, and to when staying team of Pesky about Cococho. I think if you're able to justify it, why not the one one because maybe a job near common entrance, we crowd class 6, no, Cococho, no, Saturday, Form 5 near the no, I started Form 1. And you know, start when you know how bad you ain't mean Caso, look to baby. Now, yeah, I had passed a neighbor called Chicago, the Christian boy, no register, and I do my papa. And then the person sanitary situation and say, a bit of my projection, yeah, by the baby, and Sompa, Graway, and a baby. Number we are somebody prepared in terms of resources and logistics, and being here, a bit of woman teaching and learning process. And so, is the supreme interest or the best interest of that Ghanaian child. So, because senior high school, not just in Biama. Na media no so mus to because any crowd goes through we to repeat that we are the 70 what to avoid all these things.
Okay.
I think that's every project be in line with the existing statistics.
Yero na sakosa anwumre Sompa ka se ye de wase ne bra wonyama yem bibi foforo bia foforo ye so fa ngomasua ho a ye beba opunu mu bio.
Those are opportunities that am go fit the cases.
Yewra Ernest Akosa kasamafo de ma Ghana ngomasua so ye no na ate se yekodi nkomoyi
yento aso ani ankota no south wo ahafomantam no mu kura ye frɛ no se bechem honom na St Joseph College of Education Josco wo na suku ne mpanyufo kyerɛ se akande bebre wo honom a college no ehia no modwumadie no atumi atumpon acting principal de ma college no eye Owura Isaac Godfred Entwo no na waje bre ene Sompa kasebo atwetwe nkomo honom na wawai kuro no ani wode to ye no mu se wokopie mu ewo college no mu baby mpo a akyerɛkyerɛfo no aduomuti beto no aya asem foforo ene ohwe akyerɛkyerɛfo be nu mu a edan ba komu ene omoda enya nonkom baby asuafo no so duomuti beto no ɛho nsɛm akoye bebre nti we kra de ya de srede ya omode tu ase ya ehwe nwumasua so ene aban no wo mo ka bi ewom ene nwumeku ahodo a enhye aban ase seni mo animu ya wo mo emeye wo mo emua wo sanso to aso bio ede to ye no mu se wo mo kwan so de bobo akwan no enye Yewra Isaac Godfred Entwe ne nsɛm kakra wo de ma ye no ebini
dikan ye staff bangles yo 8 unit staff bangula abanye se usi amene o jase 2012 ono na ya hwɛ ni ma omo boso di egu so ye bia kan so de genzi bi so contractor ni ja hokwe enua ne pray contractor for buy or the we have a good so if you are a good so you see I still a contractor no on mine and you want girls hostel on the contractor na bomodina boso oboso we want to get for contractor this year you know the bio offer kura onfa and you sound administration block on also ma do lentil see baby you do as a college of education university say in your offices if you say department na doors unit na doors you say in your office na department you say in your office na unit you say in your office na teacher ni bia so you heard me ma the akopin enko emma you say antina ma because teacher for one fee saye one office there were 3 abandoned projects that project then guest hostel staff bangles and administration block when you chino about you say obama 3 units 3 bed capacity hostel contract and ba ha omo ye ko chere no baby ha obeye say eduma ɔkyerɛ sɛ wɔkɔ na akɔboaboa ne ho aba kɔntrata ne kɔɔeɛ no ɔzii ha bio.
Arahosem Ekoso ewo St. Joseph College of Education Josco I wo bechem ene ama ne bofo abomodin aboabo no ede abedan ye no
ene Ghana of ho na mede owura enwumasua na mu ne eda so wo na eho kura mede wo kɔ ne ya bensu timamufo ewo ho akasa pa se na no BC so hwe a wo no tworo ye nkoda nkuma na fudu adoadoa a ese balu na onkom no na ye afuro no wafa akura wo nuru ba bia na no na nhwemu no afiri enwumasua atena ye wo ho no kyese sebio awofo no hwe papa ye so wo mo de hwe wo mo ma edomboa ma suku no wo mani ku ho na ye wo mo akọ no no wo yire wo husua de no na enkonti ne nam so a ema asawere hosem ne si na nhwemu no kyese asuafo be se wo ha na etro BC so hwe na wo ma fa afuro na timamufo no kyere de nti a etesa e de kyere sompa nsentwerofo
abeboa ye party e betupa ye dana senso ani bi wo ho amayo ani bi wo ho so munya obeko bisa na maame ni mabeka se nya enti no be ma bi be ma na 5 cedis bia na waje no odi akoto enti eno so be ma se parents say ye nya books amawa ehun hia so be san ko be ma bi ho se wo kwa akoji books na se wo kwa akoji bibia fi be ma ho enti se nya sa amoa na e beboa ye girl child no so na almost teenage pregnancy no etimi abafom
pregnancy no mo die Ghana for her there according to the teachers no one say adults ena enunti yen so say yen boy yen hu modern na yen masa de no so ntwa for example who school na ye konansen who say gas no doso ena bus nso ayeto no edoso maami fo no de brain eduma pa bia obetumi dia supporting wo mma no nti ewo mu na book no ayese yen to 20 a obetotu wasa kototu saa na wo mu ye no enu susu
enu ye timamufo a Ghana of ho abensu wo mo ho na wo mo kire wo makonsemi pem kwan wo mfa so to books man kwada no na udi agro obeto wo to golden na to diamond obeto to lithium nyina ye no nso ye nwoma na ekwawie no saa time na asemi kokosi na aspiring assembly member wono say oguso ye campaign so wo monto abama no wo meye abensu electoral area assembly member no mprimpuntu omra wo de nwoma ekokoche asuafo na nsemi kokopie ora smart kusi enso kire de ntia bokoye saa ye no
Msamikia ochia okiefo ni the woman say sometimes parents need your hand kwara nkusu na ya na nieme bi oha omuhia omuntime mprovide na de ya man ta koso no bi oha wa jaye ne sa ne mano ne ya jampara na bibi a oba no so oba na adwuma nye sa de ne tumi kofa sa oha ne ba enu ntime so me ba se community no se nyame boa na yeto aba na se ye me se me medi community na nim dia na se me nso metumi boa na mehwe se de be ya sa de ni nyina me so ano ebi ni se initiative a metumi take place a metumi abi provide some books ni ade eti awofo ne pressure ni bi so enye ni nyina na metumi etikakra mfi se metumi ni de enu na mi se mo abeto amahu bi enu na betumi aboa ye na mofra no at least omo so bayiro omo ho na sa teenage pregnancy ni ade ni nyina ye hu ne mrantie no kwala bi o wa bi hu bi kra no ko construction bi ansa na bi otumi sa de nyina me pese tuotwa em say school ye o ko na say edru ba bi na say games ni mu ya na ni kan kra ni edru ba bi activities no to say games no basa school ni ye no e new building em say o sound say dance wo mo so ti man bebi o ho mo de to mani mu a na wo say me bo modern nti boru ya me dia be ye ade a ebe boa ye mofra no e wo mo activities e football any be entertainment ni ma bi o ho no mo am fi say agron so to me motivate nkwada no o mo ni kaski ni ye and also can be na ma de football e 1000 copies me ankasa media my school say we support how for no any school mofra
ora smart kusi aspiring assembly member Edma Bensu electoral area Waganofo and I say watch Ninsemu.
Addition so what by bon number 3 I watch Mampo no mention so at de and ne Nina a food processing factory bank cratch penny and penny for I could be no ewo economo. What penny pound so when ya badaye Erin Sika Esha project I say a Dr. Ernest Opoku Ajamai. Jumedia no aseno Timemufono de Nijia ko champagne foi so pansa trofons ye ko piemu ewo hono bi eho eno ni munyamfo Isaac Kofrima fo ya oye aban krachi panyi edetu yenim de entie ho behia ye so mbe sa food processing factory yi ede ama de hia omwo bayerebon number 3
governance ye aban mu hihye eye me na umi enu ana montiu majo ati omampanyi di bigger picture na ye ato ho na so ye little portion na papa yi etese yeso ye no papa 1 district 1 factory bayerebon number 3 ye sa kan ye di na me boa omampani ne botaye no sabe despite the fact omampani na nkase wono eno ntina abibia oba abema we implementing policy that policy na obi so ahwe the doctor Yami Shrow Dr. Yamenka ho Dr. Nyani panyina na nyane sa Dr. Madam fu bi na menene na tip makurasi botrampa ba bia wo ye na okotena kumasi okokumasi na enipa no osa ifusi ha tema ne mai and penefo se kontro hwan a etia the crop dog the buy material history we ka so ma so na ka wo tete me promo ne yawo me promo na me wo fa no mo ne me papa no mo ne betena ye it is a net dia matru bia metwa mani atwamachi ise penefo se anoma wo usura ise dia ne dakra e bafo e tukwan e be kopi bibie du enye dania ye basa ye dai abaye chi doctor enne ejina bayerebon number 3 miti kroma nyina na muda wase bebre enda wase ansa se ye hyewa aka ye bede we because it is aya baya semsa ban beye baba ne no hwan abana me no wumi enu adwempa ne timu pa ye benya no eno na setran we dey ewie pay dog ebi asabre ubegina ha wo kan ye afidie pa bebre so a wo de faso emu ye ke bi ake de ko fo wa kwanta o ana me boa e bi kwa de ko cancer group na ba bi e de se de bi ko ho nso awurade no wada roma ene ye nya bi na se da kase
Openyo de ne sika ehye project no ase Dr. Ernest Opoku Ajamai na DC no elbo ne samranesa no owie ya pe Dr. Nemu enso ne ye etwetwe nkomo kakra
so really there ye tikwa ye muntimi tinini nuanti ye fatrata nya dwuma wa ha meswa samo mo mushia na mo che practice na oma bayerebon ha mo yerebi bisa eye be ye dwuma pa ye nyema bi be bo am ye tina ye dwuma na abonso amai se mo ne me aje tinyi a no bi be ba pro hwa ye kokko wi pra ti a ye be ye dwuma wa ha na kokko no pra nkwachi enti nyema be bre wa ya nisu a ye de ehihye eba na we de nimfitiase na nimfitiase no so no me chiro se me ma monye ma bi a pese mo dua me de bi kura ku mi kai mu abansi a emre bi be bae kontomre me be ye ho adwuma wo ha mako meswa na mo dua no
sa enigisemi ekoso ewo bayerebon number 3 a ewo atwema mponoa mansine mu
ene me de wo ko Western North man time no mo na no nso dwaboso district ho anase mansim nam de bewura yewura Anthony Jaben one headmaster Edema Proceed DHS ene odi atodwa HS we de aban o man ntafre wa won masuno mo checha mebi nso Proceed DHS foso na ICT lab wo mo nibio na campus computer no kura wo mo nya bi asua enti ukobusa say what is a computer mouse na kura hu popo no okoka say any mouse that can chew a computer wire nyo onwa esan say wonim na wonya nhunu bi nti adawroma ICT no so mbetimi ayo na mbetimi atwa na sabio nkoda na nkonkotwero na ICT bi nkonkonya 15 ene 100 nom na obetimi anya na 1 ni 2 dia ene aban emra won sra ban mu
das aye Proceed DHS the ban of ICT ade kire ha ye wo how be bring me one on say you need computer lab e wa ha you need ICT lab abrebi kura na PTA no e ba ye moa moto laptop ba ko ma ye ye de kire nkala no Isn't ama practicals no ye no ayede. Imagine kwala over 150. We use laptop back up na dey akere omo no. Ayo how to. Nti e be sra aban say obeba be yam one obisi ICT lab ama procedure. About school placement system now selection no aya call a sister school to people na ya ho education ni bibia na yetimi aya selection no so amount.
Oh mekaya suafo bi ene wo mu hia na wo mu firi kure so ban na yese na pro so na mo de mo propa wo nguma sua mu ebi ni o ewie na suafo no so e kan wo makosa ni amane ya wo mu hunu pa kwan ya wo mo fa so sua IT ye wi a woman woman one kind kumase ene bunu nyina ekwa koshi akotwero so hwe baako e wa IT mu
Obeba be boa e wo ICT lab so obraya e pe ye ni be because say why ICT ya e to ye bi krampa schools na ya ye teachers furniture but ni na mu use banding the banding is means was in Sanka Bible boy to a my ICT lab and I am bedroom. I call highway say I do ICT say the bread part to say the new computer education
and no ye proso DA basic school a for any headmaster na te say na computer work can honsam edichira why say gangster no nya wo no mo esanse IT nan kasa kura no wo mo brands wasua
Bono Regional Minister Obatampa Justine Owusuba na hene abomodi akosira de hye bia wo monya kidney failure ya moda dialysis so e wo raf check clinic ai wo Bono mantam no mu na honom no e na doctor Antio no so de ne dwuma wo honom e de to ade hye no anum se yen hwe ye didie mu ye obu wo honom a wo ko buo wie ya sima mienu pe no wo reba yere kyerewkyerewkyere wo no mu so no wo no mo nsan so e de gu so wo se we no emu akra
purify cleaning na venous blood no after say clean aye bibia na asa ababehye ni penum at the same time no moja no call my nimina na sign replace it 4 hours no almost replacing with all the toxins removed. That is the only treatment because that organ now kidney no it doesn't function. Okay.
And now watch lecture say kidney failure no e ade a wo hono mo pa na wo yado koto dialysis nso a ne bono edin ye Mama Justine Owusuba na hene so de kakra eto so sei
and generally tie ne ya ye ma ne para no ko say na so tie ne ya para so tie ya bia na ya para na e desa it is self medication say one kasa wo fa wo tumi so apadura no ebiem overdose say aduro na abro so anase underdose nyina our effect ebiem and na ya setre mu ni niam ayeye enya bi won ma yesa fata who was the guy nti esa kokko na no wia na bro so
Obatampa Justine Owusuba na hene eya bono mantam no musuafo
ene me koso aka wo se ayaresa fie no ya ike heba clinic a o hwe wo mo a ejiso zongo junction hwa na yewo enkasemu yare ana yade ben ene wo widie mu a wo pe adupa ene ho na wo so do wani kire na fe yedom ehwe wo hypertension no wo mo na wo pare ne bam no a yetimi di twitwi ema ba bia nyare wo bia no efiri ho ba bia to nuro ebi wo ho dani heba mo misti heba kolina ke ho nyina ayemma me kan sa no na me koso aka wo se ubehwe wadidie mu yi a mizo fruit drink no e wo se bi kan wadua ne ho eno eye nuaba na yede ayo amango de ewom wo mo wode ya kan nuaba ne nyina afra eyema nipadua we nya ne asikire ayemu ma ne bia na wo mo de pampan bia afra no wo hu ne se we eye pure fruit Integrated marketing company adaroma na sa ne pay wodom edema yen 5G energy drink ka ho ahoden chapo sa na ka kirew oba no ka kirew se nye de hia ne be ma wo hia 5G na watimi age wo 2 eno gora na wom jensen wom sa na green tea ni grapefruit nso wo mu e ma ahoden eyema ni padua no eno nso ye adroma pa eno ane so obefre 0544 483 392 na fe babia tontom bi nso wawura ho no waje wo de
3A Herbal Center akofa 3A cocoa capsules so ediaba emfa ho ne ba bia cocoa ne du dama kodru sa wonsaka cocoa master ye 3A cocoa capsules ne bia ebetumi ahyiase afiri ho kra ede amount Colinac Dani Herbal Misty Herbal ena Pidank ewo enroyi bisanso ena herbal shops ene pharmacy shop ebe obi aboremu kasa pe 3A cocoa capsules jewode na ebetumi abo open dodo nso atu a obetumi afra 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 na mekaka won so say Universal Natural Clinic where there are ultra modern facilities kra eni fidie ni akofa ba ya edi tu ya de no ase wudru ya so ya ebetumi abo stroke etete wo sciatica no dompemu ya de bibia etete bia empo ya de hinta widi no Fabra Universal Natural Clinic ni ntumi ento ase emfri ho emfama aton so be hu ye ewo S line ye bembo shomu ho a ye ma no so eye 0556 244 102 0556 244 102
eno so ene yegina na enanwumre Sompa no nsia bre mu kase boy de som Sompa TV afi Sompa 93.1 Kumasi Santimantemo Sompa 98.9 Sunyaye Bono Ahinkuro Sompa 90.7 Bono East Mantemo Kransano Yadeo ACA MCR Hono Systematic Nepa Patus wo Madaroma no watu empechenye kai hunu.
This is 93.1 FM. This is 93.1 FM.